Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily download mGamer on PC. So the first thing that you actually want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You can have the first link there, and when you're gonna click here, you want to click download Ldplayer 9. And when you're gonna download Ldplayer 9, you will end up right here, and I want to show you. So this is the installation video of Ldplayer 9 that I made. Like, okay, you're just gonna choose where you want to install it. Then you're gonna start downloading. And then you have to sign in. So how to sign in is when you would go here, Home, System Applications, and Play Store. And here, search for apps, you want to write mGamer and install. And then you can actually like play games with mGamer. And then you would spray. Okay. And then you like choose games and you start playing. And that's like pretty much how we're gonna use mGamer on PC. So now when we have it, it's still gonna load for you, but when the finish it is going to be, then you're good to go. You can also test and check the manual here. There's like also a good application. But yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.